Okay, and what's the next step? So passwordless logging in is done, and we have to first update the server because this is just a new newly created server, right? So this thing has to be updated. Apt update and apt upgrade -y. So imagine that we are actually inside the Linode server. Okay, so just don't forget that. So this is the terminal we are using. You see this SSH. Okay, so ZSH, which you are seeing in the Mac, is the local server. Okay, so if it asks you for this option, simply select this second option, keep the local version currently installed, and say yeah, okay. Okay, perfect. So the server has been updated. You can just clear it out. And what is the next step? So since this is the empty server, we need some softwares installed in this server, right? So it's kind of a new laptop. Okay, so what happens when you bring your, when you buy the new laptop, you have to install all these softwares, right? So in our case, for our deployment, we need a Docker, we need a Docker Compose, and we also need a Git. Okay, so that's why we'll install the Docker. The way we install the Docker is by just using this command. Copy this and go to your Linode server and make sure this is not disconnected. It has to be root at the rate localhost. Paste it and it will just install the Docker in your system. Okay, so to verify if the Docker is installed or not, you can simply write docker ---- version. All right, so the Docker is installed and you can just say docker ---- version and it will just show you the Docker version. Okay, and next thing is to install the Docker Compose, right? So I'll just install this using this apt install Docker Compose plugin, and Docker Compose is also installed. Okay, so if you just want to see the version, Docker Compose version. Okay, so it will show you the Docker Compose version. And next we want the Git. Okay, so I'll just say apt install Git, and then you can just run this Git ---- version. It will just show you the Git version installed. Perfect. Now what happened? Now your Docker Compose and Git installed successfully in your server.